cash.
Okay.
And then, do you know about how many miles are on it?
Um, it's 25,000.
Okay. Alright, I just need your signature.
And this is before you finish it. You need me a signature
Mhm.
to start it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll have one before and then after.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And just saying, like, basically, I went over the repair process with you.
Okay.
Alrighty, let me get my kit real quick.
Okay. Let me see if I can see that little.
Alright, and then I just need to put this up here.
Okay.
If you wouldn't mind just sticking that, like,
Right on there,
yeah, well,
or like
up
that.
above it.
Above it, like that.
Yep.
Okay.
Got it.
Do you need a step stool or something?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Y'all travel
Yeah.
for a living, or like you just,
I kind of like do it for YouTube.
yeah.
Yeah, but I was traveling before YouTube, but
Oh, really?
yeah, but like if you, my thing is you travel and then they give you money so you get more travel time.
Oh, okay. Where have you been?
Everywhere, New York, Florida. I just got back from Branson, Missouri
Oh, okay.
on yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's when this happened. When on my
Okay.
way there last Monday.
Gotcha.
hmm
Where's your favorite place you've been to?
I think it was. I want to call it Napa, Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
Have you been out west or no?
I went to Vegas for my birthday in February.
Gotcha.
hmm
I want to go to Montana so bad.
What's in Montana?
Yellowstone.
Oh, okay.
So it's got like all like the lakes and the mountains
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
I haven't been there, but I heard it's real pretty.
Yeah. Which right now it's actually like they're having mass flooding. So
I
it's
saw that.
completely-
The roads were gone.
Yeah. So
Mhm.
they said it'll be shut down for like a while. So. But yeah, I've heard it's a pretty like they have hot springs and stuff that you can go sit in and stuff. Yeah. So are you from Clarksville or no?
I'm originally from Alabama.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like 45 minutes south of Birmingham, real small town.
Gotcha. Well, how'd you up in Clarksville?
Because my auntie was ex-military.
Oh, so she's Port Campbell.
Yeah, and she retired out here. My brother moved out here, and I was stationed in Texas.
Oh,
So I was like, let me come home to be closer because it's like 24 hours.
yeah,
If anybody gets sick or anything, it's too far.
yeah.
Yeah.
You like living in this?
You put it back?
No, it's okay. It's all done.
Okay.
I just have to have it on there so I can see like where the thingy is.
Oh, okay.
And you can be able to watch it.
So, I kind of like if before the pandemic, I was like, why did I move here? Because it's so slow.
Yeah.
But now I'm like, I'm kind of glad I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not that many people, not too many crowds.
How
But
long have you been on the road?
I'm ex-military, so I've always been on the road since
Yeah.
I was 26 years old. Yeah. But like since I had this, like every month, I try to go somewhere. Hmm.
Yeah, I'd be at the beach the whole time.
That beach gets hot though.
Yeah.
I was gonna sit on the beach all day one day, and it was like 80 degrees, and that
Hot.
sand was like, I was like, I can't do it. I don't see how people could do it. I can't do it.
Yeah, our neighbors, they're from like the very end of Florida, and they're like, don't ever move there. It's so hot.
It is hot.
And you have to worry about like hurricanes, and it says like a whole long month process because you gotta get ready for the hurricane,
Mm-hmm.
and then the hurricane comes, and then you have to like evacuate, and then you gotta go clean it up. It's like, yeah, that sounds like too much trouble. But
You like it here?
I've grown up here, and I don't like it anymore.
Oh, okay.
Like in Clarksville,
Yeah.
it's just too busy.
What made you want to do Safelite?
It's like, I don't know, the money really.
Oh, okay, okay.
But yeah, I'm the first female technician
Okay.
in our district.
Oh,
But we've
wow.
hired multiple now. But
Oh, okay.
yep, I just drive around, do chip repairs all day.
Okay. It's pretty simple, huh?
Yeah,
That's good.
it's just a lot of driving. I listen to a lot of podcasts.
Oh, okay.
And today I went to Clarksville first. Then I went to Springfield, Ashland City, Kingston Springs, Fairview, and then back here.
Okay. Yeah, that is a lot of driving.
Yep. But it's not too bad. And like with Safelite, I can, if I wanted to move, I could just transfer locations.
Mm.
So. Because there's nothing in Clarksville. There's no mountains. There's no beach. There's
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If I had a beach somewhere to walk, I'd be better. That's why I have to
Yeah.
go a lot. But then when I get home, I'll be glad I'm home too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it has a good thing and a bad thing.
Like,
Because you get tired of crowds
and
sometimes.
I hate Nashville.
You hate what?
Nashville.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
It scares me.
Oh, yeah.
We went up there for my friend's birthday, and it was just scary. Like, I've heard so many stories now that, like, the bouncers aren't checked, like, they don't check backgrounds and stuff.
Right.
And so I heard about this. This was before we went up there, but this guy was at a bar, and the bouncers, like, beat him basically to death.
I saw that on the news. Yeah, that's
I was
crazy.
like,
Yep.
I mean, I don't know. I don't want to be at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Right.
So,
But you worry about that, though, being at the wrong place as a girl?
yeah, I mean, I don't know, just because, like, I don't know, stuff can happen.
Yeah, anything could happen. There's so many weirdos
especially
these
when people
days.
are drunk,
Mm-hmm.
Like-
That's true.
I'd rather just stay home and drink. I don't have to worry about, like, finding someone to drive me home or getting, like, I don't know, bad. Because Nashville's, like, one of the highest sex trafficking.
That's so
Because
crazy.
there's so many exits that you can get off to and go anywhere. So it's like,
I didn't know it was the highest sex trafficking thing.
because
Wow.
there's so many exits you can get off. You can go to, like, Alabama, you can go up. Like, there's so many exits you can get off of and be somewhere in 2 hours. So I try to stay, I listen to a lot of true crime, so.
Oh, yeah, I watch a lot of true crime, too. So,
So I'm, like, very paranoid. I'm like,
yeah, it's best to be paranoid.
Best to be paranoid than to
Mhm.
be, not know any better and
Yeah.
get yourself in trouble or
Mhm.
something. But I like true crime.
But you don't worry about going to people's houses?
Not really.
Okay.
Only like if it's out in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm like a little sketched out a little bit, but they have tracking on my phone,
Oh.
my car. So I'm like, if someone was to take me, they could find me quickly.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, they have trackers. Like if I brake too hard, it beeps at me.
Oh, okay.
Can't go over 77, I think.
So that's a company car?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. I was like, I wonder why they didn't give you a truck.
Yeah. It's just because I do this, so this is all I have to have for it.
Oh, okay.
So the other guys, they have vans and stuff. But
Mm.
yeah. But yeah, sometimes I do get scared
Mm.
at other people's. Now I don't go to people's houses.
That's good. That's smart.
I'm like, no. You might be nice, but I don't trust you. You travel by yourself too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. How do you do that?
I'm older, so I don't think like nobody really checking for an older person. They won't like to kidnap the younger people.
Yeah. You don't even have a dog, nothing?
No, I don't like pets. You have to feed them and bathe them and.
Yeah.
I don't see how people living with the dog. You know what I'm saying? It's such a
Oh,
small
yeah.
space and ew.
I've seen people.
And they pass gas and I don't want to be smelling no dog's poop.
Yeah, there was this couple. They were married, but they had 4 kids and 2 dogs
Mm.
and a 5th wheel.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And they travel all year round. And she does homeschooling. And I was,
Ew.
y'all are a special breed because there's no way I could be like with.
Yeah, dogs.
Like you don't even have your own like space
Mm-hmm.
in those. Like it's more like bunk beds, and then you have like a.
Then they got all that fur shedding and How old are you?
22.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 22.
It does. It's crazy how it works though.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so
Yep. So you'll just have a little pit.
but it'll be fine.
Yeah, that's just like so. Why I have to do it up and down is because we put a pit fill in it, so
Mhm.
to make it smooth on the windshield.
Mhm.
So if I do it this way, it'll pull that out. So you have to do it up and down.
Okay, so but that's gonna stop. This thing going. Okay.
Yep. So that's the best it's gonna look. But there's no water or air to get inside of it for it to spread again. So.
Okay.
But I'll get your paper and go over everything with you real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna just pack up the stuff real quick.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.